what I've got. Oh, whoa, oh, oh, oh. I'll get him high, show him what I've got. Can't read man, no he can't read my poker face. Stay up along nobody. Can't read man, no he can't read my poker face. She's up along nobody. Pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face. Ma, 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 pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face. Ma, 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 ma. Look, I really think it's time for us to do something. This is all getting way out of hand. What do you mean? The song is sweet. No, not the song. I'm talking about the Japanese killing whales and dolphins.
Dude, they've been doing that for a long time.
So? Dude, don't you guys care? We have to do something.
What are we gonna do, Stan? It's not like we can change the way an entire country thinks. I don't like it, but it's just the way they are.
It seems like everyone has an attitude of, that's just the way they are, that's just the way it is. Nobody likes it, but everybody's too busy to do anything about it. I'm not too busy, Stan. You're not? No. I just don't care. At all. Kenny? You don't care about whales and dolphins being slaughtered?
Stan, me and Kenny don't give two shits about stupid-ass whales.